In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the Instagram app language. The process is very straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. Once you've loaded up Instagram, all you need to do is tap your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Once you've done that, you will tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner, and then you want to tap on settings right at the top. The option we want to select now is account. And then you'll notice the language option there underneath account status. Tap on that and you can select any language that you would like to use for your Instagram account. So you can browse through all the available languages. They have a couple that you can choose from. And once you've found the one that you want to use, just tap on it. That'll change the Instagram app language. So if I go to settings or tap on the three stripes, you can see now everything has changed. So if you want to change it back, you just tap on the three horizontal lines again, go to settings, then go to account, then go to language again, and you can change it back to the original English language. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.